Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to make a matrix effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have a picture right here, but of course you can use a video for the same effect. What you want to do is go to Fusion and then under Effects type in Matrix. Then go to Template and here double click the matrix. Okay, then you can drag it just like this. Then select the matrix and go here to transform. And now we can adjust the size. Transform is selected. And here you can just increase the size until it fits for your video or photo. Then you go back and this is our end result. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to make a matrix effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.